everyone, welcome back to Nail Nails. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to create a baby scan nail. The hardest bit is done. So now continue adding the back of the head and the body. You can outline it finely first and then fill it in later. Now go ahead and start adding more white polish to give depth to the highlighted areas of the face. Using the very tip of the brush for tiny sections at a time will help you get it right. Don't try to do too much all at once because you need to see it come together. The mouth is always the trickiest part because the lips are so tiny and can be easy to overdo or underdo. After a while I like to take a breather and work on the rest of the image. You can work in lines because the scan is made up of lines, so layering it like this gives it depth. Now here's a little tip: if you're using a 20-week scan you'll get more detail of the facial features. It's much harder with an earlier scan because those features are less prominent. So I'm going to flash cure this for 30 seconds so everything stays in place. The good thing about this design is, if you make a mistake or go over the white, you can simply take a little bit of black polish to clean it up and make the features pop. It really gives a nice contrast. And that's it. Here's the baby scan nail. We'd love to see your version of this design, so don't forget to share them with us. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next video.